Okay, we're here in Los Angeles. This is a 1920 home. Our customers, Billy and Azin, received multiple quotes to replace the foundation. What we have done over here, we actually didn't replace it. We installed new sets of girder beams, piers and posts all over. You can see new ones. We applied high strength mortar to the crumbling foundation all around. This way as well. Over here we installed additional piers and posts. We sistered the cripple wall. We applied additional support over here in this addition section. Everything is just looking amazing. Amazing job.